All right, here we go. This is a game Tim brought back to my remembery. It was on sale. It's called Facteroids. It's Factorio, but on asteroids, and it's been on my wish list for the longest time. And it was on Steam sale right now for their space exploration things. It's September 2024, and it's on sale for like $13. So I'm like, I got $13. So I thought we'd come in here and play it. I'm assuming asteroid hot. So I got campaign. Let's go back to the main menu. We got play, editor, settings, help, credits. Then feedback. Well, I want to play. We can do a campaign. We can do asteroid hopping, a free game, load, and back. Let's start with a campaign, I guess, right? The introduction. We're going to play introduction, play, or leaderboard. Oh, 7 minutes. What's up? All right. So that's the leaderboard. Way to go, everybody. I'm going to play. Let's play this. You can move some of the windows around screen by dragging the top tab of the window panel. Press a key to continue or click. Oh, okay. Here's our asteroid. Welcome. This mission is designed to teach you the basics of Factoria. You can skip this introduction in the campaign selection screen. Click on the button below to continue. Kind of liking the music. That ain't bad. You have finally arrived at this asteroid right here. This one. This one here. How does this camera work? It was carefully selected by from the myriad of all the other asteroids in the system for its suitability for our mission to establish a mining facility on this small and remote world. Cool. Let's have a look around the asteroid to find a good spot for landing. You can orbit the camera by holding the right mouse button and moving the mouse. Okay, that's a little touchy, but oh, hey, look. Zoom WASD. Scroll wheel zooms in. Okay. So this is interesting how it's... I'm gonna have to adjust those. It's a little touchy. So it's mining from here and it's going all the way up to this spot here. That's interesting. Q and E to roll the camera. I gotta hit Q and E. Okay. Let's do in the tutorial. Hold down the middle mouse button and move around with WASD keys? No. So this is our spot. This is where we want to land. Graphics aren't bad. Asteroids are made of blocks of different materials. Look around this asteroid and find the selected spot indicated by a green arrow. That's our landing site. Click on it to open the block. I'm going to click on it. Open the block. Mothership is the central structure of your settlement. It brings some initial resources and one construction block. Click on the landing site to land the mothership. Okay. And bang. There we go. And we got one bot. Cool. Finally, our ship landed on the surface of another celestial body. But there is a little time for celebration. An automated construction bot was already deployed and awaits our first command. Click on the bot or on its icon in the upper right corner. It's right here of the screen to select it. Let's get used to doing that. I got a feeling they're going to be all over the place. Let's do some exploration first. See that ice field? Guessing this is it right here. Send the bot there by right-clicking on the green arrow radial on the green arrow. Radial bot command menu appears. Okay, just right-click and say move. Get over there, dude. Okay. Oh, this one. Fine. Right-click, move here. Didn't know it was lit up. It's okay. Cool. Now that the bot has arrived at the site, give it a dig command to take a sample of ice. Right-click on any block. It's right there, and there's dig. This way you can acquire resources manually. Look at that. You already got some ice. There is an abandoned mine on the other side of the asteroid. Go ahead and find it. Move your camera around the asteroid until you see the excavator with a green arrow. Click on it. Okay, there's the arrow. It's on the other side. So we're going to zoom and scroll around. So I clicked on it with the left click. Lucky for us, there's a pile of iron ore left on the storage next to the mine and a conveyor belt heading in our direction. Okay. But the belts are messed up. You can repeatedly right-click on each belt. So you just right-click. Okay. So we need it all to go to the right place. There we go. These are all going up. You're looking at the iron mine, you'll see that it is not working because it has no power. You should build a solar panel to generate some power. I would love to. The main purpose of the bots is the construction of buildings on the asteroid. Construction of each building requires a certain amount of material. That's what I'm here for. Select the solar panel icon from the construction menu on the left side of your screen. Okay, so what do we got here? A mine. We can build a mine, a smelter, cross tracks, storage, bot dock, solar panel, a lamp, a landfill, a dump site for resources produced by mines. Gets destroyed and creates new ground when full. Okay. Freezer. Use ice to cool down lava. Demolition charge. Okay, so we need to do a solar panel, but I need to zoom around. Put it clear over here. So if I put a solar panel here, here comes my bot. He's going to, or she, it's going to come over and build it. It's got to bring all the resources over. Can I click on this? Okay, status. To rock. There we go. Bang. Done. If you look along the conveyor belt line coming from the iron ore mine, you'll see that it is interrupted in one place. You should build a conveyor belt to close this gap, but there is a landfill right next to the gap. If you build the conveyor belt directly, the belts will auto connect with the landfill, and you'll start losing resources. To build any building with disconnected conveyor belts, hold shift during its construction. Okay. So there it is, and I need belts. So I'm gonna hit belts, and then I guess press and hold the shift key. Yeah. There we go. Click and drag. Not sure that's what I wanted it to do. And then what? What is this saying? Shift click here. Where'd my menu go? Where'd my help bot? Why can't I? Click. Destroy all materials. Demolish. Destroy? What? Objectives. Turn on the belts. Let's watch this video real quick. Bot. Belts. Click. Shift. What? Click. Build. Click. Right click. Click, 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 click. What? What the heck? I don't even know what I did. Okay, close that. I clicked and dragged from where I wanted it to go to where I needed it to end, I guess. That's what you got to do. Okay. Delivered power to the mine, you have to build a power line. Connecting the solar panel with the nearest storage will be enough. The conveyor belt line will conduct the electricity all the way to the mine. All buildings are part of the power grid. Okay. So let's zoom out. We got to scroll over here and we have to connect power. So if I click here and then do a power line, do I just put it there? And you must construct a building in a specific building lines, power lines completed. Some buildings are part of the conveyor belts and pipes can be built in lines. You can do this by dragging the line on the ground. Okay, so if I click power line, click and drag to here. Looks like my bot's gonna come over. And this is fine. We're just learning how to play the game, right? This is a very different type of factory game. It's Factorio. We're building belts and mines. I got robots, but it's on an asteroid and they're trying to bring something new and fresh to the genre of factory automation games, and that's fine. I'm here for it. I like it. Let's just see how it goes. So we got power. There it goes. Now we got power. And if we scroll over here, we can see it's digging and it's working now. Okay. Now what are we doing? Time acceleration. To speed up the construction, you can accelerate time. Press the space bar or click the double arrow button at the lower right corner of the screen. Pause, go faster, pause. Okay. You can have more than one bot for faster construction. To get a new bot, build a bot dock. Build a bot dock. Build. Click, click. And I need power lines. Right? I don't know. Let's just let it build its thing here. We got rocks, ice, iron ore, and iron. We got a few things in here. So it's going to build this bot dock. While we're waiting on that, let's hit settings, texture, scale. Let's go a little bit bigger on the UI just so I can see stuff. Auto saving notifications, that's fine. Camera forward, these are all fine. Camera, there we go. Mouse zoom speed, let's ramp everything down. Because it's going just a little too fast. Apply and return. It's a little better. Not really, but that's okay. How much does it need? Good grief. To select multiple bots, draw a rectangle on the ground around them and shift click on their icons. Select both of your bots. Shift click, there we go. And now I should be able to right click. So if I come back and hit right click, oh. If I right click, why can't I? Can move them both. Oh, it doesn't. Create a group. Okay, what were we doing? Objectives. If you want to expand the facility, you have to prepare for it and build more solar panels to make some power reserves. Build another 5 solar panels. Make sure they are connected to the power network. Okay. So power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Do your thing. Space. Speed it up. Now, okay, they're automatically, I can see the cables here, so it looks like they're automatically connected to each other. Let's hit pause. Let's build another mine. It's time for a mining rock. Time for mining rock. There's always an abundance of rock on any asteroid. Mines have only one output conveyor belt. It has to be facing the right direction. Press R to rotate. So, okay, we're going to hit space to go. And we're going to come up here, mine. And it's got to face the right way. So we're going to hit R. We can't have it come straight into here. Let's have it go that way, I guess. I wonder if I can put both. Nope, that's full already. Look at this thing, it's full. Status ready reserves. Why is it set to 0? Storage. I don't know. Things are getting along pretty well. You're producing iron and rock, but what next? Let's process those materials. A smelter will take the raw materials and smelt it to more refined material. Build a smelter next to the rock mine. Here's a smelter. Let's do this, and we gotta rotate it till it's green. So he's gonna take the materials. Plug it right in there. Look at that. Now we need to do a storage that makes sense. We'll just plug storage right there. It's not bad so far. Okay. And if I click on it, it's got 4 reserves. Build another smelter and start producing iron ore. I mean, that only makes sense, right? Factories are the main production building. You can process iron and carbon into steel in a factory. Build a factory on the green mark. Okay, here's a factory, and I guess we're just gonna have it go that way since it's green. Still don't like the speed of that. Keyboards, camera, first person camera. Let's go even tighter. Enable edge scrolling. No. See if that works a little bit better. Resume. That's still fast on the keyboard. That's all right. It's a little better. Okay. Connect smelter effect. Draw a conveyor belt line from the iron ore to the smelter new factory. Shift, click, and drag. There we go. And then we need to click that. Why is this so complicated? Just deliver the stuff. This just seems a little too complicated. Now draw a line from the factory to the mothership. Okay. All right, why is it so stupid? Double click. Go. I don't want to have to do this every single time. Belt inside, belt outside, belt inside or outside. There we go. And we have to tell it what we're going to produce. No recipes. Okay. Powers on, demolish, upgrades, destroy all materials. We need to select a recipe. As it's talking about it, right? Click on the factory, select it, and select steel production. Steel here. So it's going to take in the carbon that we're producing out and the steel, and it's going to produce it. Deliver 5 pieces of steel to the mothership. And ready, click the export button and finish the mission. Speed it up. 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we go. You ready? Export. I gotta figure out how the belts work a little bit better. I don't like that. Cool. No, continue playing this mission. Congrats. You completed this campaign. You want to start another one? It's only been 23 minutes. Sure. Introduction complete. There's foothold or tutorials. We can do camera control, asteroids, mothership, bots. I think we did all this. Colonists, trading, research, production, conveyor belt. Oh, are these just... yeah, let's do colonists, I guess. Cool. It's just going to talk to us about it. Start with supply hub. To build a colonist dwelling, you have to first construct a supply hub. That's here. And I guess we're going to put it there. I wish the scrolling was smooth scrolling instead of clunk, clunk, clunk. Supply hub. Build a habitat next to it. Oh, let's go into settings. Simple terrain graphics, texture quality high, scale, full screen, show frames per second, enable did you know, auto saving, key mapping, that's not it, it's enable zoom on cursor, yes, just Edge scrolling. No, I don't want that. Yeah, it's just takes you right in. I wish that was a little bit better. Okay. It's okay. What is this new research lab? Habitat is empty for now because it's not receiving vital supplies for the colonists to survive. The supply hub will receive water and contribute it or distribute it through the colony. Connect it to the water plumbing. So we got pipes, pipe bridge, pipe crossing, passageway pipe. We're just gonna click pipe. And I guess just click it there, and it all connects. Oxygen together with hydrogen produced in a refinery. You have to separate them on the belts using filters. The separation can also be done right in the refinery. Deliver oxygen to the supply hub. You have to separate them on the belts using filters. The separation can also be done right in the refinery. Let's oxygen together with hydrogen is produced in a refinery. So I guess that's what it's saying. Do the refinery. And then we need to click on it and tell it what recipe that we want to do, which is oxygen. Oxygen is produced in the refinery. And hydrogen. Oxygen. So how do I tell it what to do where? Select the recipe. This is the supply hub. And this is complete. Let's have them move up out of the way. And so now this is O2. It's got water coming in. Pipe. Okay. So we're taking water in, and I need to, what? Oxygen together with hydrogen is produced in a refinery. That's what I got. You have to separate them on the belts using filters. So where's the filters? Filter. This is going to go out? Let's filter this as hydrogen. Okay, so that's oxygen. This one we need to filter as a pipe. And the hydrogen is produced in a refinery, This isn't really telling me what I want to know, and I feel congested. Oxygen is here. And it needs to come out. The pipe and the pipe. But there's no hydrogen and what's on here? Conveyor, oxygen? Oh, well, here's a refinery here. Is this wrong? It can be done at the refinery. Okay. So this is already splitting out the hydrogen, and if I click this and switch it out and then filter this to be hydrogen and this one to be oxygen, it's got it. 2 output belts. Oh, this is going out and this is going out. So what if I deliver to the supply hub? This is a supply hub. And so I guess I'm stupid. I really don't like this. Colony is excess waste. Supply hub, build an output conveyor belt from the supply hub to a dump. Okay. Where's the dump? To dump the waste in the mothership? Okay, so we're going to take, if I understand this, we're going to build this line. Why doesn't... I really don't like this. This might be the only time I play this game. Right? Because why is it so not intuitive? Let's build another habitat further away from the colony. Habitat. As you can see, the new habitat remains vacant because it's not connected to the supply hub. And how do I connect it to the supply hub? That's waste. The supply has to go. Yeah, I'm kind of done with this game already. Everybody's blowing up my phone. Colonist has no job. As you can see, the new habitat remains vacant because it's not connected to the supply hub. And the supply hub needs... Okay, so it's taking... What is this? This is the refinery. It's outputting water. And this is also outputting water. So what we need to do is have a supply hub go here. And then we need to go to pipes and connect those pipes to that pipe. And this is This is broke because this is trying to filter oxygen. How do I clear that to nothing? Okay. So we have water coming. Oh, I need to pump it into a refinery. It's ridiculous. A refinery is going to take the water, and we need to take a belt and have that go out, but I need that belt to be sorted into oxygen, and this one is going to be hydrogen. Oh, the hydrogen goes into the... Okay, let's see if we can do this. Let's create a pathway and a pathway. I don't know what I'm doing. And then we'll just do this to connect it here. I really don't like this game. Like, it doesn't make sense. Click, but I hit shift. Click, just demolish. This needs to be filtered for oxygen. This needs to be filtered for hydrogen. This... Like, why? Why? No, that needs to be filtered for oxygen. This needs to be filtered for hydrogen. And the belt needs to come down here. Why is it doing? I'm hitting shift. It's just so unintuitive. There's that, but I don't want... It's just dumb. And I shouldn't have to come back in here. Okay, you just right click on them. Why is there no water? I need pipes. So if I need a belt to go over pipe crossing, that's what I needed. I needed that. Okay, so we're gonna take this, demolish pipes, pipe. Yeah, go do it. Belt, pipe crossing, that. There we go, see if that. Oh, that's wrong. Demolish. Pipe crossing. I want to go that way. I can see why this game is not doing well. And then what is this? Oh, because this is a habitat crossing. What do we... Why is this so complicated? Conveyor belt crossing. ridiculous. All right, why is this working? No recipe selected. We need to make this one. Go do it. And we should see oxygen and hydrogen. There's hydrogen coming out. There's our oxygen. It's into here. And we need an output of waste. So we're just going to click here. Let's zoom out. Why is it not? This is just conveyor belt. That's what I want. Why? Oh, the waste has to come. Okay. Needs to come from here to there. There we go. Doesn't come out of the pod. It comes out of the supply thing. Oh my gosh. Build a passageway to connect the habitats with the rest of the colony. Passageway should be here. Ugh. Okay, now all the colonists' needs are met. We can finally move in. That was a bit painful. There's pros and cons to this game. I mean, it's interesting. Foothold, prologue. I'm gonna do it in another episode. So this is Facteroids. Facteroids? Yeah, Facteroids campaign. Okay, tutorials. So we did colonists. There's trading. There's research. Kind of want to do those. Let's do trading real quick and see what it's all about. Okay. Start trading. You have to have colonists and a comm center. We got colonists. We need a comm center. I'm guessing. Let's put the comm center there. Send all 3 colonists to work in the comm center. You can select all habitats by double-clicking on them. Then click on the Assign Workplace button and click the comm center. Okay, double-click. There we go. Assign Workplace, comm center. And now they're going to go work at the comm center. Colonists will negotiate a new trade deal in the comm center. Click on the projects button, select trade deal. Where's the projects button? Projects. Oh, you click here, click projects. Select trade deal negotiations. And lastly, select iron ore to offer and sulfur ore to demand. We're going to offer our iron ore. And I demand sulfur. Okay. Colonists will negotiate. They're doing a thing. They're going to sell 1 iron, 4 sulfur. Continue. Build a spaceport. Trading takes place in spaceport. Has to be supplied with hydrogen and fuel. Okay, it needs to go here. Here's our spaceport. It's blinking at me. So we go up here. We're going to hit R to rotate until it's green. We're going to zoom in there, see what's going on. Speed it up. And it says it needs... Trade takes place spaceport. Supplied with hydrogen, fuel. And select trade new deal. So we're gonna click on it and build a spaceport. Click on select trading button and select the new trade deal going on, which is this one. And then I'm assuming we gotta have stuff going out. Right click on them. Right click the belts to turn them on, by the way. So we can click on this and it's the new deal. Trading not selected. Research, deep mining, trade. Wait here a second. Let's see what happens. Go to location. Build a spaceport, click on select trading button and select the new trade deal. I did. Now start trading. Okay, now it's ready. Guess I had to have a product in there to really have it go. Okay, so now we're trading, and this is our mine. And I'm supposed to turn this on. There we go. So it needs fuel for hydrogen, and we send it the iron ore. You can exchange surplus materials with trading. Okay. Oh, that's it. That's the mission. Tutorials, research. This should be pretty quick and simple. That's nice. Okay. Then we'll be done with the tutorial. All research is carried out in research labs. Build a research lab. Where's it blinking? Click. Supply pod, storage, bot. Research lab. We're going to click it. And click there. I did put it in the specified location. Okay, come on. Needs lots of stuff. There we go. Assign all colonists. Double click. Assign them to work here. For project of conveyor belt speed 1. Do that one. Click on the project button, select conveyor belt speed 1, continue. Research needs rock supply to complete this project. Deliver rock to the research lab from nearby depots, which is here. So I'm going to go here to conveyor belts. I'm going to hold shift, click and drag. And we need to go this way and this way. Okay, we've got the belts figured out, which is fine. Build 2 more habitats. Bruh. Okay. Can I QC to select? No, I gotta do it the old-fashioned way. I need 2 more habitats. Can I do? I just wanted to do one there and one there. I don't know. Speed it up. Habitat. No job. We're going to double click. We're going to assign workers here so that all 5 of them now, I can see 5 icons. Wait for it to complete. We're at double speed. Now I can click on this and see the research project. Almost done. And there we go. Research unlocks new upgrades, new technologies. Finish the mission. Okay. So that is all the tutorials that you need in order to play Factorios. We did everything. We did bots, mothership, asteroids, camera control, conveyor belts. Finally figured that out. We did production, we did colonists, we did trading, and we did research. So we have done all of the tutorials. Foothold is the next thing for prologue. So let's get into that in the next episode.